Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Oats Khichdi for your baby. This nutritious and easy-to-digest meal is perfect for little ones. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1/4 cup of rolled oats, 2 tablespoons of moong dal, and a small amount of finely chopped vegetables. Also, have a pinch of turmeric, a tiny amount of ghee, and some water on hand. These basic items will form the foundation of a healthy meal. Now, let's begin the cooking process. Start by washing the moong dal thoroughly under running water, then soak it for about 15 minutes. This helps in quicker cooking and better digestion for your baby. Next, pressure cook the soaked dal with 1 cup of water for 2 whistles. While the dal cooks, lightly roast the rolled oats in a dry pan for approximately 2 minutes until they become fragrant. This step enhances their flavor. With our dal and oats prepared, it's time to combine everything. Heat a tiny amount of ghee in a pan, then add your finely chopped vegetables. Sauté them gently for about 3 to 5 minutes until they become tender. This ensures they are soft enough for your baby. Now, add the roasted oats, the cooked moong dal, a pinch of turmeric, and 1 more cup of water to the pan. Stir everything together well. Continue to cook the mixture for another 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally, until it thickens to a porridge-like consistency. Once cooked, remove it from the heat. It is crucial to mash the khichdi very well, ensuring there are no lumps, making it easy and safe for your baby to swallow. Always check the temperature before serving to your little one. This wholesome meal is now ready to nourish your baby.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.